my feet, sunburns my face. The Gulf stretches wide like an endless embrace. Blue-green waters roll, they sparkle, they gleam. This pier feels like a bridge to a salty dream. Pier to paradise, where the world slows down. Fishers cast their lines while the sun spins round. Views on both sides, a treasure to hold. Pier to paradise, where stories unfold. Kids with laughter poles in their hands, pelicans and the bait where they stand. A gull cries high like a call from the sea. This place isn't just a pier, it's a piece of me.